if you've got a small space, stick around. Hey guys, welcome back to Do It on a Dime. A lot of infomercial products really aren't worth buying, but today, everything I'm showing you is worth buying. It's gonna save you time, energy, and space in your home, and more than that, it's all $20 and under. Have you ever heard of an electric lighter? Yes, these are real and under $10. For all of your fall and winter candles, this is a must-have. You charge it up and it lights your candles so fast you don't have to be constantly replacing them. It's much better for the environment, and we absolutely love ours.
You can see it like arcing electricity. This is like legitimately cool. How much is this?
$7.99.
Wow, it's a really good deal.
When it comes to saving space, if you have a small kitchen, you're going to love this silverware drawer organizer. Now, the traditional ones are really big, but this one is super compact and stacks up back through your drawer. Look how much space this saves, and it holds all of the same items you saw previously. But I also saw there is a brand new aluminum foil and saran wrap organizer. This is great because it perfectly cuts those things for you. It saves so much time and energy in the drawer, and you're not constantly shuffling around with those paper containers.
And if you want, you can splurge for the plastic bag organizers for your gallon Ziploc bags that are made of bamboo. But I want to show you this because it is only $12.99. Target has a bag organizer that fits perfectly in your drawer, and it comes filled with all of the bags. I'm going to show you how easy this is to use. Plus, you can save this container, buy the bags individually to refill. This product, I think, is my new favorite for back to school. Over 500 5-star reviews don't lie, and what's more, you can even do curbside pickup with this, and you could use these in a million different ways around your house, especially if you're working with a small space. How would you use them?
For back to school, if you have tons of water bottles, one of my favorites are these water bottle holders. This is really great to stick into a cabinet. Instead of storing your water bottles upright, you store them on their side. It's easier to see and maximizes your space. If you're loving this video, leave it a big thumbs up. It lets me know you want more like this. Up next, we have a pasta strainer. What's so great about this is it clips onto your bowls. These are so cheap. They're like 10 bucks. And what I love about it is it saves a lot of space in the dishwasher, and it's just one less thing you've got to clean. You know what I mean? We love this one. Also, if you've got a small space, you will love these over the sink drying mats. No longer if you have to set this on a towel or on an absorbing piece of foam next to your sink, you can just put this right over the sink. It dries everything really quickly. It's also great if you've got a giant farmhouse style sink. It fits so easily into a drawer. Up next are cord holders. These are a must for all of your appliances, especially if you have them on your countertops. These adhere right to the back. You can wrap the cord around them. It's perfect for crock pots, Instapots, air fryers, and I also love it on my Vitamix. Let me know in the comments down below if you have ever tried these. This is one of the first products that I bought for our house, like from all the things I'm showing in this video, and we really like it. Let's talk about the fridge. If you want to double your space, I highly recommend an egg organizer. You can get these for under 20 bucks. They clip right onto the inside of your fridge, and this is something that you probably have in your fridge every single week. It makes it easy to see what you've got, and it holds more than a dozen eggs, which is exactly what we were looking for. I love this product. And let me know in the comments down below, do you like scrambled eggs over easy eggs, poached eggs? What is your egg of choice? Mine is always over easy. You may remember in a recent video, I picked up the Battery Daddy from Walmart. Well, I'm here to tell you it is cheaper on Amazon at just $16. We keep this in our kitchen. I love it. It's important to store your batteries so the ends aren't touching each other. I learned this from a viewer because it makes them last longer.
It even comes with a battery tester. And speaking of charged items, if you've got a spot where you want a lamp but no outlet, I love these light bulbs. They are rechargeable. You just plug them in and you can stick them into any lamp that's not plugged in, and they have 8 to 10 hours of bright time and multiple settings.
Oh my goodness, if you have a tiny bathroom, these are two products you have to know about. And the first is an over the shower door hook. These are awesome. For your loofahs, there's no suction cup involved. They even can hold towels. They come in all sorts of colors from bronze to gold to black to silver. We love ours. And if you have a flat surface anywhere in your shower, I really like these suction cup towel hooks. First of all, they're beautiful and look like they're permanent hardware installed. They're really great for your loofahs and they work so well, highly rated, and all of these items are so stinking affordable. Let's talk bedroom and some more personal care items. All right, I saw this on TikTok originally and had to get it. This little gadget helps you make your bed really fast. You can tuck your sheets, especially because we have this big tufted bed. Did you guys know I actually film in my master bedroom? This is my master bedroom. You can tuck all of the sheets in really quickly and make sure you've got that perfectly made bed every single time. This also works really well on beds that are very hard to get to and some tricky spaces. You can do it a lot faster. I also really love some of the personal items from Amazon. I've been getting lots of questions about gold rings that I've been wearing and jewelry. Amazon's jewelry is so good and it is under $20. I want the type of stuff that isn't going to tarnish or look kind of gross over time. If you're looking for some workout gear that's kind of more modern and just really comfortable but also holds everything in, especially after having babies, I really love these sets. They're just $15 a piece and it's better than anything that I've found in Target or anything like that. I really, really like these. If nobody has told you today, you are enough. I can't wait to see you guys soon.
It's actually like really cool. Like you can see it like arcing electricity between those two little, I don't know, nodes or diodes or whatever. I don't know the technical term, but this is like legitimately cool.